Okay, let me move it up front so you could see it. And I'm gonna put cold water in there. Leg, yay! And the other one too. Hey! Now they're fighting. Oh yeah, you put me water, I'm gonna get you. You put me water, huh? You put me water, right? You think you're tough, right? Oh boy, what you do when you get bored? It's crazy. Okay, let me see if they stop fighting because I think they like cool off. Oh no, they're going at it. They're going at it. I don't know who they're fighting for, a chick or something. Thought it was kind of cute. They at it again. Let me put it up. There they go. Right on top of the white thing right there, right there, right there. They have each other's mouth. Ow. Sorry. They have each other's mouth. I wonder why they are fighting. It's driving me crazy. Okay, let's see if they let go of each other. Okay, they're from the same. Lizards are different. You got green lizards, you got brown lizards. This one is like brown and black. They're big though, pretty big. They're not like the typical small one. I got a green one outside. Every time I go outside to the raised bed outside, he comes out of nowhere. You know, now he has a baby too. They are cute. I love those green ones. They are very, very cute. But this one is like big, brown and black, and they mean. I don't want it to jump on me. I probably smack him one and knock him out. That's how scared I'll be it. Okay, so let's see what they're gonna do. Besides just kiss each other there. I wish I could get up because I could do it from the outside in. It would be much easier. Because then you wouldn't have all the trees and all the light from outside. There it goes. There they go. There they go. Oh yeah, now they're in the inside. Yay! I wish I could focus it. Okay, you can't tell because they brown and how you call it? The rails are brown too. So it's very hard to see their head. I don't know if you could see it or not. I don't see it. Trying to get a close up to it. Right there's the head. Let's see what they're gonna do. Okay, now that I go, one is running one way, this one is running the other way, and they're gonna go at it still. So, saying this is how Puerto Rican lizards fight. They bite each other, then they rest, then they bite each other again. I don't know why this one. I haven't basically seen much of this one. And we got also the big giant lizards, the one that crawl over there, like I have seen showed 2 times already. But that's the nature of life. I love it. If I tell the people, if you don't live in the countryside, you're missing a lot of things. I love the countryside. You see so many creatures. Here go at it again. Here go. Come on, beat them up. Beat them up. Oh, come on, man. You're tired already. The bottom one is tired. Saying that, they're gonna look like they're gonna have a long fight, and I gotta keep on cleaning and washing. No, I washed the dishes already, but I gotta keep on cleaning and preparing everything because soon they're gonna bring the grocery, and I have to also fix the grocery. Oh, they're coming downwards now. Oh, maybe I edit this and just put the most important part. Yeah. That's how 2 lizards fight. Yay! Where are they? Oh, there it goes. They're going downwards. I wish they would do it on top of the washing machine. Yeah, because the washing machine is white, so it'll show the difference, you know. But anyway, that's how they. Ooh, now they're on their mouth again. Look at that. I'm gonna just take the one, edit this, and just take the ones you could really see. Like this one, they look like they're in love. They're kissing each other there. I don't know if it's a boy and a girl and they fight like the cats do, the lady cat and the male cat. The girl cat scratched the daylights out of him, and then she says, you took it, I'm in love with you. So I don't know if lizards do that too, because I seen them mating, but they just jump on another. This one is like going haywire. Okay, that one gave up. If anything more exciting with other creatures come out, In the YouTube so you guys could see what living in the countryside is like. God bless you all. Bye bye. Hi people. Instantly look at this gorgeous animal. Oh, I think he's hurt too. Mira, look, he's bleeding in the side. ¿A dónde? Right there on top. Where he got the puyas up, he's bleeding. Okay, so I just want to show this for a second. Well, he's still there. He hasn't moved, but he looks like he's kind of angry. He's hurt on one side. I'm trying to keep the dogs away, but it's very hard because since I'm in a wheelchair, I can't really do much. Look at that. He is perking up. He's going to attack the dog. You know. But I'm very careful because as soon as it comes this way, I'm going to run inside. Those things hit hard, I heard. Pingu! Arranca para allá. Sorry. I'm trying to keep the dog away, so I have to... Pingu! Pingu! I'm trying to keep the dog away from the lizard. But that lizard is so slow and lazy. We've been messing around with him almost 2 hours already. And I can't get him to move from there. You know, he was like up here, I think it was. And then all this space in 2 hours from here to there. And that's it. My husband put him some water, which I think he enjoyed. You know, he enjoyed the water. So the rest of the water from that side, he's just laying on it. But he has a wound on the other side. So let's see what happens if he moves from there or what the heck he does. This is typical when you live in the countryside of Puerto Rico. I don't like hurting them. People gets them and eats them and all that. I don't like it. You know, I try to push him back into the woods, but it's very hard because he's in this side. If he would have been in the other side like he was before, you know, we could have pushed him to the woods. My husband tried to push him back over there, but it didn't work. He wouldn't budge. And he looked like he was about to hit him. So he said, I'm not going to get hit by that animal. And he had other things to do, so he had to leave. So seeing this, I hope he moves soon. Okay, he's moving. He's moving. Okay, he's raising his head. Do something. I do not dare go out there. I wish I could get closer. But I will not go out there because he looks dangerous. The dogs, they kill him and they'll eat him. Because I seen the dogs carry their head around, you know, with no body. So I don't like it. I feed my dogs, you know. But you know how dogs are. It's like cats. You feed them and then they go out and they kill a rat. You know, so saying this, if anything happens, then I'll do another quickie. Okay, so bye bye. God bless you all.
¿Quién se come eso? ¿Quién tiene carne como Pingu, dale, papá. Dale tú para allá.
No se va a ir. Déjalo quietecito porque si no coge para acá. Revenge of Godzilla.
Es un macho, ¿viste?
¿Ah?
Eso es un macho.
Revenge of Pingu trying to kill Godzilla.
Ok, el Pingu lo coge así.
No, Pingu le tiene miedo. Él le ladra y todo, pero no. Él le tiene miedo. That return of Godzilla. He got orange feet. Never seen a lizard with orange feet. Heck no. Go ahead. Attack the dog. Go ahead. Beat him up.
Está pendiente a nosotros, dale. Déjalo aquí. Mojo a mami también. Yo no veo.
Ah, espérate, mami, que está sacando un video. ¡Ataca, Pingu! ¡Attack! ¿Qué? No, él no lo va a atacar si él le tiene miedo. La otra vez le cogió uno y le dio por la cara. One whack right across the face. Eso no van a...
Déjalo.
No lo veo aquí.
¿Ya?
Sí.
¿Sabes cuánto